Perfect.
Well, right now I'm on my way. Don't mind the steering wheel that looks like this. It's because I had to change one of my upper control arms. And right after I changed it, I did it painted. But right now I'm on my way to get it painted. So, well, not really get it painted, but get it checked and repainted. Yeah. Alright, we back, and I got the truck back from getting it painted, and I don't like it. I don't know if you can see closely here, but look at that. You'll probably be able to see this. It looks, the outcome of it was really bad. Stuff like that. They didn't fix this. You know, they were to fix that. It looks like they just oversprayed it. This dent right here that we talked about, look, they left it there. I called the guy up, told him about it, and he was like, oh no, I saw them hand sanded. They got this out. But like, look at this, the lettering in the back. You can still see the previous paint, and he said that they hand sanded and sprayed it. Look at this. It still looks the same from how I got it last time. And this is how you can tell that they never hand sand it. Look at this. I still have a piece of paper right here. Look at that. Really. Talk about they hand sanded. What now? Look at this. They didn't fix that. So yeah, the paint job was shitty. Look at this. They left these cracks right here. They were supposed to fix all this stuff. And look, this is another way that you can tell they didn't paint it. Check that out. They left that right there. I mean, I didn't ask them to paint this back here, but they did it. But you can tell that they didn't really put no effort to it at all. They didn't hand sand it. It looks like they just oversprayed it. But I did call the guy up, and I told him about what happened, the outcome of it. Look, here's another cracks. I did call him up, and he said that, oh, it takes about, I don't know, he said 3 weeks for you to be able to tell if the paint job came out good or something, or any effects of it. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. But he did say to take the truck back to him, and they'll redo it again. So, I mean, at least he was able to say that. But other than that, I really didn't like how it came out. And I'm not gonna mention where I got this painted at all. Other than that, I'll keep you guys posted on how it comes out again, and see, hopefully he does a better job this time. Hopefully he does. Okay, look, so I already made another video before this right now, explaining about the whole thing that happened to my truck and how they painted it. Came out really bad, and it's kind of raining outside. But alright, let me get to the point with it. So as you can see, there's still cracks here. They told me, give me 2 weeks, bring the truck back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna tell these guys, like, I need you to, for real, send me pictures, or do I have to be there for them to do this? But other than that, I want to give you guys a quick update on the truck. Right now I'm currently working on the AC part. Kind of got that done. I need to take a recharge. And another thing I was doing with the truck was I was working on the, how you call it, on the electrical. I was taping it with I think they call it flexible tape or friction tape. Other than that, my truck looks like a mess. Literally looks like a mess. So yeah, and I also got me a what did I get me? Master cylinder for my brake, because it's not good anymore. So I need to change that out as well. I need to redo my door panels. That's another thing I haven't planned. Another thing that I'll be talking about is the mystery box that comes with Adam's polish, which I'm wearing today. But I'll go ahead and show you some more fun stuff. As you can see, there's like cables hanging down there from my transmission. I've been cleaning it up because I have nothing else to do with this truck. So in the meantime, that's what I'm doing. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna have another video this Sunday coming up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Peace.